Hi everyone, how to fix the Assetto Corsa keeps crashing on your PC? If you have the same problem, then I will show you the effective solution to fix this problem. So first thing, you need to make sure that you have the minimum or recommended requirement to run this game. And here as you can see the requirements, and once you see, now you can right click on your taskbar, open up your task manager, and now here you have to just look for the Assetto Corsa game or the Steam. So once you find the Steam, you just need to right click on that and just click on the end task. So once you end it, you also look for the S2 Corsa game and end task. You also look for the any application that are useless, and you can also close this background application because this will consume a lot of the bandwidth, RAM usage or CPU usage. Then you can just simply go to the startups. Here you just need to disable all the application. Because when you start your PC, this application will start automatically without your permission and cause the lot of CPU, RAM usage and a lot of bandwidth usage. Here as you can see, I have already disabled this application, so my PC performance, CPU performance is very good. So here you just need to disable all of this, then you can just restart your PC and see your problem is fixed or not. And if not, then you can right click on your Steam and go to its properties. Now go to the compatibility, check the box of the compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. So guys, this is the very important setting that you need to do, and check the box of disable full screen optimization and run as administrator. Then just simply apply this. Then you can go to the Windows set, type here the Assetto Corsa game, and then you just need to right click on that launcher where it launches. Then go to its properties, then go to the compatibility, check the box of the compatibility mode, and here also check the box of full screen optimization and run as administrator. Then you just need to restart your PC and see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if your problem is not fixed, then open up your Steam, go to your Steam library, click on the Assetto Corsa game, then click on a gear icon, go to its properties, and I'm just showing the example of this game. Then go to the install files, click on the verify integrity of game files. Once you click on that, now this built-in function will start repairing your any corrupted files or missing files in your game, and it can fix them automatically. Then you just need to restart your PC, and if your problem is still not fixed after this solution, then you also just need to update your game. Just open up your properties, go to the updates, and if there is any update, you can simply update your game. And you also need to update your operating system. Go to the Windows search, type here the update, and now open it. So once you update your operating system, you also need to update your graphic card because the missing updated graphic card has also the problems. Open up your device manager. Here you just need to open up the display adapters. You will see your graphic card updated. You can also open up the softwares of the NVIDIA or AMD graphic cards you have. You can also update it from here. Guys, after all of these solutions, you just need to restart your PC, and I am very sure after this solution your problem is fixed. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.